Have you ever wondered how laser technology, which we commonly associate with science fiction, became a reality? Today, lasers are everywhere. From barcode scanners at the grocery store to powerful tools in medicine and industry. In this video, we'll explore how this technology was born, how it's evolved, and where it's headed in the future. We'll even take a look at some of the most cutting-edge applications of lasers in our world today. Join us on this enlightening journey as we delve into the fascinating world of laser technology. It all started in the mid-20th century, with the first major breakthrough happening in 1954. This was the year when two brilliant minds, Charles Townes and Arthur Schawlow, unveiled their brainchild, the maser. The maser stands for microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? But what was this maser all about? Well, in simple terms, it was a device that amplified microwaves to produce a coherent and intense beam of light. This invention was revolutionary, as it laid the groundwork for what we now know as laser technology. You see, a maser essentially works by stimulating atoms to emit photons, which are then amplified to create a powerful beam of light. This process of stimulated emission is the fundamental principle that underlies laser technology. But the journey from maser to laser wasn't immediate. It took another 6 years of tireless research and experimentation before the world saw the first working laser. And the man behind this incredible feat? That would be Theodore Maiman. In 1960, Maiman built upon the groundwork laid by Townes and Schawlow, and introduced the world to the first laser. His prototype was a ruby laser, a simple device that used a ruby crystal to produce a narrow, intense beam of light. This marked a significant milestone in the world of technology, as lasers offered previously unimaginable possibilities. The birth of laser technology opened up a new frontier in scientific and technological advancement. From medicine and telecommunications to manufacturing and entertainment, lasers soon found their way into every corner of our lives. But this was only the beginning. As we moved into the latter part of the 20th century, lasers continued to evolve, growing more powerful, more precise, and more versatile. The possibilities seemed endless, and the potential for future developments was, and still is, exhilarating. This was just the beginning of a revolution that would forever change the course of technology. From its humble beginnings, laser technology has seen an exponential growth and evolution. The first functional laser, invented in the early 1960s by Theodore Maiman, was a ruby laser, a device that produced a concentrated pulse of light in an intense red color. This was a groundbreaking achievement, but it was only the beginning of a remarkable journey. As the 60s progressed, scientists and engineers began to explore the potential of other materials. They discovered that helium neon could produce a continuous beam of light, unlike the pulsed light of the ruby laser. This discovery opened the door to a whole new range of applications. In the 70s and 80s, the development of semiconductor lasers brought laser technology into the digital age. These lasers, which use a small piece of semiconductor material as the medium, are now an integral part of everyday technology, from barcode scanners to CD players. But the evolution of laser technology didn't stop there. In the 90s, researchers developed the fiber laser, a type of laser that uses an optical fiber as the medium. This allowed for lasers with higher power and better beam quality, making them ideal for applications in manufacturing and medicine. The 21st century has seen the advent of even more advanced lasers. Quantum cascade lasers, for example, are able to operate in the infrared range, opening up new possibilities in fields like environmental monitoring and medical diagnostics. Each of these developments has brought with it a multitude of new applications. Lasers are now used in everything from telecommunications to surgery, from manufacturing to scientific research. They've become an indispensable part of our modern world. And it's not just the types of lasers that have evolved. The ways in which we use lasers have also changed dramatically. We've gone from using lasers to cut and drill materials to using them to measure distances and speeds with incredible precision. The advancements in laser technology have not only been rapid but also diverse, opening up a plethora of possibilities. Scene script. Fast forward to the 21st century, and lasers are now an integral part of our lives. We interact with lasers more often than we might realize. They are everywhere, in fields as diverse as medicine, telecommunications, entertainment, and manufacturing, to name just a few. In the medical field, lasers are nothing short of a revolution. They assist in precise surgical procedures, reducing the risk of infection and speeding up patient recovery. Lasers have made it possible to correct vision, treat skin conditions, and even target and destroy cancer cells with minimal damage to surrounding tissue. Telecommunications is another area where lasers have left a significant impact. Fiber optic cables, which use lasers to transmit information at the speed of light, have transformed our ability to communicate globally. These cables carry vast amounts of data across continents, enabling high-speed internet and crystal-clear international phone calls. The entertainment industry too has embraced lasers with open arms. From laser light shows at concerts to the barcode scanners at your local grocery store, lasers have made our lives more colorful and convenient. They have also revolutionized the film industry, with laser projectors providing high-definition, crystal-clear images on the big screen. Over in the manufacturing sector, lasers are used for cutting, welding, and marking a wide range of materials. Their precision and speed have made production processes more efficient and cost-effective. Beyond these examples, lasers are involved in countless other applications. They're used in scientific research, military defense, and even in everyday household items like DVD players and printers. In every field they touch, lasers offer benefits of precision, speed, and efficiency. They allow us to perform tasks more accurately and quickly than ever before, enhancing productivity and quality in numerous sectors. But perhaps the most striking thing about laser technology is how seamlessly it has integrated into our lives. We often take for granted the complex technology that enables our modern lifestyle. From the laser-guided tools that built our homes to the lasers that deliver our internet. Today it is hard to imagine a world without laser technology, such as its pervasiveness and utility. As we look towards the future, the potential of laser technology seems limitless. Imagine a world where surgeries are non-invasive, where data transfer is faster than the blink of an eye, where energy production is clean and efficient. This is no science fiction, it's the impending reality of laser technology. In the medical sector, we anticipate lasers becoming an integral part of surgical procedures. Imagine a scalpel replaced by a beam of light, making incisions precise down to a cellular level. This could significantly reduce recovery times and increase the success rate of complex surgeries. But the advancements don't stop there. In the realm of data communication, researchers are exploring the potential of lasers to transmit data. Picture this. Beams of light carrying information at speeds far surpassing our current capabilities. This could revolutionize the way we connect, making global communication nearly instantaneous. The energy sector is also on the brink of a laser revolution. Scientists are working tirelessly to harness the power of lasers for nuclear fusion, a process that could provide a near-limitless supply of clean energy. If successful, we could see a dramatic reduction in our reliance on fossil fuels, giving our planet a much-needed respite. And let's not forget about space exploration. Lasers could play a pivotal role in propelling spacecrafts, making interstellar travel a possibility within our lifetimes. Imagine the vastness of the universe, no longer a distant dream, but a tangible frontier. In our day-to-day lives, we can expect to see laser technology integrated into gadgets we use, making them more efficient, precise, and convenient. From self-cleaning ovens to smart security systems, the possibilities are truly endless. But these advancements are not without their challenges. As with any technology, the ethical implications of laser technology must be carefully considered. We must ensure that as we stride towards this bright future, we do so responsibly and with consideration for all. The future of laser technology is not just bright, it's dazzling. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it's clear that lasers will play a pivotal role in shaping our world. One thing is certain, the future of lasers is as exciting as it is promising. So, what have we learned about the journey of laser technology? We've traced the footsteps of laser technology, right from its birth to the present day, and even had a glimpse into its future. We've discovered that this fascinating technology, which had its humble beginnings in the mid-20th century, has evolved at a remarkable pace. From the basic ruby laser, we've seen the development of different types of lasers, each with unique properties and applications. Throughout its evolution, laser technology has continuously adapted and found new uses. In the present day, lasers have permeated our lives in ways we often don't recognize. They're used in everything from medical procedures to communication systems, from manufacturing processes to entertainment. Looking ahead, the potential of laser technology is vast and exciting. With advancements in power, precision, and size, lasers could revolutionize numerous fields. From medicine to space exploration, from computing to energy production. We've also recognized that the journey of laser technology is far from over. With every passing year, new discoveries and applications continue to emerge. As we look to the future, we find ourselves on the cusp of a new era of laser technology, an era that promises to be as transformative as the ones that came before it. As we continue to explore and innovate, who knows what the future of laser technology holds for us? One thing is certain though, it will continue to shape our world in ways we can't even imagine yet.